Good afternoon, Arben, and today we're turning you engine AJ985. All turning good, all compression complete, and on the front all looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. On this side all looks good as well. We didn't see any damages. Alternator looking good, compressor looking good as well. On the top all looks good, no damage, no broken. The back side looks good. I didn't see any damages. And on this side all looks good. Passport started looking good, and underneath all looks like so. I didn't see any damage. Turning the engine AJ985. Thank you.